This meditation was entirely generated with AI, including the voices and the script, and does not represent the real individual they portray. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now let's begin. Greetings, Kit Harington here. Talking to you as Jon Snow of House Stark, Lord Commander of the Night's Watch and King of the North. Tonight, I shall guide you on a journey through the realms of Westeros to help you find the peace and rest you seek. As we begin, settle yourself comfortably. As if you were preparing for a long night's watch atop the wall. Take a deep breath. Filling your lungs with the crisp, cold air of the north. Now exhale slowly. Letting go of the day's battles and intrigues. Close your eyes. And imagine yourself standing atop the Great Wall. Looking out over the vast expanse of the north. The world stretches out before you. A canvas of white snow and dark forests. Feel the solid ice beneath your feet. Grounding you in this moment. The cold wind whispers around you. Carrying with it the secrets of the old gods. Listen closely and you might hear the rustling of leaves in the godswood, speaking ancient wisdom. As you stand there, let the worries of the day melt away like snow in the summer sun. In this moment, you need not be the shield that guards the realms of men. You are simply a part of this vast, beautiful world. As ancient as the children of the forest. Imagine a great direwolf appearing beside you. Its fur as white as the snow around you. This is Ghost, my loyal companion. And tonight, He shall be your guide. Reach out and feel his soft fur beneath your fingers. A comfort in the cold night. As you touch Ghost, you feel a warmth spreading through you. Like the heat from the hot springs beneath Winterfell. Let this warmth flow through your body. From the tips of your fingers to the soles of your feet. With each breath, you feel yourself becoming lighter, more relaxed. The troubles of the Seven Kingdoms seem far away now. Beyond the wall and the narrow sea. Ghost nudges your hand gently, inviting you to follow him on a journey. As you walk beside the direwolf, the landscape begins to change. The stark white of the wall gives way to the lush greens of the wolfswood. You can smell the rich earth and the pine needles beneath your feet. The air is filled with the song of birds and the distant howl of wolves. Ghost leads you deeper into the forest. Where the trees grow tall and ancient. You come upon a clearing, bathed in soft moonlight filtering through the leaves. In the center of the clearing stands a great weirwood tree. Its leaves as red as blood. The face carved into its trunk seems to watch you with eyes full of ancient wisdom. As you approach the heart tree, you feel a sense of peace washing over you. Here, in this sacred place, you are safe from all harm. The old gods are watching over you. Their presence a comfort in the night. Take a moment to sit beneath the weirwood. Leaning back against its strong trunk. Feel the rough bark against your back. Anchoring you to this moment. The red leaves rustle softly above you, whispering secrets of ages past. Ghost settles beside you. A warm and protective presence in the night. As you sit there, let your mind wander to the stories of old. Think of Bran the Builder, who raised the wall with magic and strength. Imagine the children of the forest, singing their songs to the old gods. Let these ancient tales fill your mind. Pushing out all thoughts of the present. Your body grows heavier, sinking into the soft earth beneath you. With each breath, you feel yourself drifting deeper into relaxation. The world around you begins to fade. Like mist before the morning sun. You are safe here, protected by the old gods and the spirits of the north. As sleep begins to take hold, remember the words of House Stark. Winter is coming. But for now, in this moment, you are warm and safe in the heart of the north. Let the peace of the godswood fill you, calming your mind and soothing your soul. The night gathers, and now your watch begins. But this watch is one of rest and rejuvenation, preparing you for the battles to come. As your eyes grow heavy, know that you are guarded by Ghost and the old gods. No harm can come to you here. in this sacred place of ancient power. Let yourself drift off, carried on the wings of ravens to the land of dreams. And as you sleep, may the old gods grant you visions of hope and strength. For the night is dark and full of terrors, but you need not face them alone. Rest now, knowing that when you wake, you will be refreshed and ready to face whatever challenges may come. Dream of a time when the long night is but a distant memory. And know that no matter how dark the night may seem, the dawn will always come. And find the peace you seek in the arms of the old gods. For you are of the north, strong and enduring as the wall itself. And like the wall, you shall stand strong against all that would harm you. Rest, and let the wisdom of ages past guide you through the night. For in sleep, we find the strength to face another day. And when you wake, you shall be reborn, like a phoenix rising from the ashes. Strong, resilient, and ready to face whatever challenges the new day may bring. Sleep now, and know that you are never alone. For the North remembers, and it watches over its own. Good night. And may the old gods and the new watch over your dreams.